Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to create a student database and data report using Visual Basic 6.0 with ADODC control. It includes the details of student name, date of birth, gender and percentage, course taken by the students, address, email ID and phone number and the passport size image of each student. Next, we add 3 essential components from project menu. Under this menu, we should select components. Then we have to check or select Microsoft ADO Data Control 6.0 OLEDB. Second one, Microsoft Common Dialog Control 6.0. Third one, Microsoft Calendar Control 6.0. Then press the OK button. These 3 are added in our toolbox immediately. First, we are going to place the common dialog box control under the image box control. Then we are going to place the date and time tool picker control next to the command button of select DOB. Finally, we are going to place the ADODC control in our VB form. Next, we should select Add-ins menu for database creation. Under this menu, we must choose Add-ins and Visual Data Manager. We will get a Vis Data window immediately. From this window, we have to select New Menu and Microsoft Access, then select version 7.0 MDB. In the next window, we'll ask for the name of the database that we want to create. For example, I am giving resume as my database name, then press the save button. Our database is created. In the next window, make a right click on the properties menu, then select new table. We will get a table structure window. In this window, we should give the name of the table, for example resume, and add the fields, data fields, example name. We should select the data type text. And press the OK button. Then we have to add the next data field, date of birth. The data type must be date and time. Create the remaining columns like gender, percentage, higher secondary percentage, degree percentage, course, address, email, data field accordingly. For picture field data type, we have to select memo as the data type. Then finally give the data type phone number and select the data type as number or integer and press the close button. In the next window, we will add the sample record in our created database. By pressing add button, we can enter the sample values. Then for example, I am giving name Vijay, date of birth is 12/12/1993 and course, and I am giving the percentage values. And phone number and email ID. Then we click update button. One record is updated. Close all the windows. In the next segment, we are going to establish the connections between this BB program and resume database. For that, we have to select the control first, then select the connection string property from the property window, then press build button and select the provider name as Microsoft Jet 4.0 OLEDB provider, then press next button. In the next window, select the database from the respective folder. For example, select the resume database, then press the open button. Finally, press the test connection button. It shows the message of test connection successful. Sorry, I am doing it one more time. Step is to copy the values of connection string and paste it into the coding window. Here I am going to copy. Here I am copying the location of database and pasting it into the coding window like this. There it is. Then again select the control. Select the property name data source from the property window and change the value into ADODC1. Then move on to the text box 1. Select the data field property in the property window and change the value as name. Change the record source value into add command table and select the table name. Then press OK button. Source as ADODC1 and data field as name for text box control 1, and in the same way we have to bind all the column name of a table with all the controls which we have in our form. All the control should have the data source value as ADODC1 and the respective column name. the sample records will be displayed with the sample values of a student Vijay. Next is to create the data report by right click on the project name, select add option, then choose more ActiveX designer menu and select add data environment. In the next window, select connection property, make a right click on the connection property, then select the properties option, select the name of the provider, then select the database name and press the test connection button. Then right click on the connection 1 property, select add control, right click on the command 1, then choose the properties option, select the database name and the table name, then press apply and OK button. Make a right click on data environment 1 form, then select data report option. Data report form will be displayed. The data environment window and the data report window simultaneously. Then we can drag the command 1 property from data environment and place onto the data report 1 window. We can add the title for this report using label control in header section. Save this report. Then again I am going to run this program. I press the load picture button to add the passport size photo of a sample record. Then press the save button. Here I am selecting the sample passport size photo of an image. It is loaded. It is saved successfully. Records are updated. Print form command is used to save all the given details in PDF form. Here it is. Thank you for watching. See you all on the next video. Thank you all.